Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrasal verb, get somebody something down. This means helping someone get or receive something. Usually, it means bringing something from a high place. For example, can you get me the book down from the shelf? Notice the structure. Get somebody something down. You can also say, can you get the book down for me? But you cannot say, get down me the book. Down always comes after the objects. You use this phrase when helping someone reach something, or when you want to pass an item from a higher place. It is common in daily conversations. For example, she got him the box down from the cupboard. It is similar to bring or fetch, but focuses on lowering or retrieving. Remember, the verb is separable with two objects. Practice by saying, get me the jar down, or get the jar down for me. Avoid mistakes like, get down me the jar. Now, try it yourself. Can you get the book down for me? Great. Keep practicing, and you will sound more natural. Thanks for watching. See you next time.